Today, I'm going to be attempting to solve a Rubik's Cube in this ice bath.
Alright, he will not get out until the Rubik's Cube is solved. So, he'll have to stay in there until he solved it. I will be messing up for him.
Alright, little bro's messing it up. Alright, little bro finished mixing up the Rubik's Cube.
Eli is almost ready, it looks like. Okay. Eli is in there. No, 1, 2, 3, 4,
You don't have to count.
5.
You don't have to count, Poop.
Sorry!
Man, guys, this is a lot harder than doing it normally.
Once you're in there, you start losing focus. And you start having visions. Not gonna. I'm kidding! What the poop is wrong with you?
Me?
No. I was talking to myself.
Alright, stop talking.
Sorry, sir.
Holy crap.
He's got the white side fixed so far. He is so close! Oh. It has been like a minute so far.
Oh! I did it!
Alright.